Oh, it's got a $10 bonus buy. Alright. Well, we ain't never seen the bonus before until now. Animafia. Something good. Oh, those upgrade that. Oh, it's like, okay. It's like juicy fruit. Come on. Do we get another spin for that too? No. What? Wait, what do we... Oh, there we go. We got 2 more spin. Oh, I see. Oh, that's got to be good. Oh, queens and 10s though behind it. Okay, okay, okay. Alright, I wasn't bad at all. We're in profit already. Come on. We just need 4 more of those for it to get up to 4x4. Although we only got 4 spins. How did that last ace not count? But that purple monkey's got to be juice. Come on, we need a scatter on every spin. Scatter. Scatter, 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 scatter. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, we're up to 4x4, baby. We're a guaranteed pay on every spin right now. This could go super off right now. How many spins do we have left? A full screen almost. We need it in the left side. We need it in the left side. We got to get 3 scatters at the same time here, and we upgrade to the full screen, which would just be unreal. Come on. 3 scatters all at the same time. Oh, that's got to be big with the lion. That's got to be straight juice. Come on. We need to straight print. Put the wild, 1 spin at least. Put the wild over there, please. At least 1 spin wild on the left side. If not, both these spins. Come on, Mr. Rhino. 100xer on that one alone. Alright, straight print, baby. I wonder if that lion's the max symbol. Come on. Left side, left side, left side, left side. Yes. And we still got lion too. That's over 100x, that one. Keep it on the left. Let's keep this on the left. Let's get another 500x array here, baby. Come on. Come on. Damn. Hit that like and subscribe button, baby. Left, left, left. Stay on the left. Yeah, baby. God damn. Another 500xer on Peter and Sons. It's literally juicy fruit. Oh man, I'm starting to change my opinion of Peter and Sons. I'm gonna be honest. I'm starting to like them. I think that at their bonus buy games, spinning them isn't as good. Buying them is sweet. Damn, 160xer. Hit that like and subscribe button. Our first ever buy on Animafia. Literal first ever buy. Straight juice. Straight juice.